Yo, what's up? In this video, we're having a look at the new Samsung washing machines. We're gonna have a look at how the auto soap dispense and auto fabric softener dispense system works, how to set it up properly so that it works nice and simple for you. Because I know a lot of people have been struggling with how to use it properly and they're not getting the results that they really want from this system. What I'll say right from the bat is you want to make sure that whatever liquid or powder that you're putting in there is not a nice flow. It's not too thick or too heavy. So what I mean by that is some of these, where they make them, they're really thick and they don't flow nicely into the machine. But you can see this one's pretty good. So this one will do. So you probably want something that flows easily and will not cause too many problems in the washing machine for it to dispense properly. And you probably want something that's a bit of a concentrate as well for the softener, so you get that nice smell in it. But before you go to put your softener in there and everything else, you want to make sure that you've put the right settings so that it dispenses the fabric softener and the washing liquid properly. So to do automatic, turn it on. And now that you've got it on, skip all these. What we want is we want to get to the additional menu section. So you press this and hold until you get to system functions. And what you want to do is you want to turn the dial clockwise. So for the softener, you can go, do you want it to be 1 times? So for the softener, it's got levels from 1 to 3. So 1 being the strongest, 2 being the least strong, and 3 being the least of the least strong. So you can just turn it like that, and that's all right for me. So you can change it to make it 2 times or 3 times or 1 times. 1 times is good. And AI pattern, calibration, yeah, Wi-Fi on, language, factory reset. Softener is in there already. And I want to also check to put the auto dispense. So you can set it. So I'll just go back to the main menu so that you understand what's going on. So from the main menu, press this additional menu button once. Then you browse the dial and set to dose per wash. So auto dispense, you can choose medium, high. I'm gonna start off with high, or you can set it off. And then that will make you edit manually if you don't want to do it automatically. But we want to be doing it manually. We want to be doing it automatically. So we're gonna set it to put in, we'll put a high one. Yeah, so high per rinse, high per wash. All right, so you can set at whatever stage of your wash cycles. This is what is really important. I think we really need to focus on this. I'll move in a bit closer to the washer, to the display, so that you can see what I'm talking about. So when you turn it on, you're gonna have this menu. You select and go to options to select the auto dose. And you can see dose per wash. You want that on high. If you don't want it high, you can make it low depending on what works for you. And the dose per rinse, you want to also put that on high so that it's really putting it in there. This is where a lot of people get it wrong and say, oh, it doesn't smell nice and it's not working really nice. But this section that we're doing, that's for the washing liquid. If you use softener, you have to get into the systems menu, which I'll touch on in a minute. But if you're only gonna use the liquid auto dispense, click on the extra menu button and go around. Dose per wash, you want that high, and dose per rinse, you want that high as well. And then when you're back in the main menu, you want to make sure that you set so there's additional functions, but you want the system functions. You can see it says system functions up here. Turn the dial and softener concentration. I'm putting mine on 1 times because I really wanted to really pop, to really be able to smell it through the wash. So use that setting and then you'll be ready to wash. Right, now that we've set the settings for our softener and our washing liquid, we've done the software bit. Now we need to actually put it in there, otherwise it'll tell you that it's got nothing in it. So to put fabric softener or liquid, just open this drawer, and as you have a look, you see on your left you've got for the fabric softener, and then on the right you've got for your washing liquid. To undo them, you use that, you twist it and it comes out, and you put your washing liquid or powder in there. The same thing goes for this other side, which is your detergent side. Just want to open that and take that out. So you put your liquid in here. This other one, this third one, is for if you've selected not to use the automatic dispense, you can use that one, but you really have to put it through the menu to say, I'm not going to use it. Once you set it, there's no need for you to come and change the setting all the time. It's just set and forget and just start washing like that. So I'm going to go right ahead and add some washing liquid to mine. And this automatic dispense will only work for liquid. It's not, you cannot automatically dispense powder. So if you like powder more, then you can't use the automatic dispense. So you just look at how that flows. That's pretty good for mine, and mine I'm not going to use much, so this is only for demo purposes. Otherwise you can put it all the way up. It's got a maximum indicator which you can use, which shows you when it's up to its maximum level. When you've done that, then you can start washing. You can put your clothes in and you'll be ready to start washing. And hey, I post a lot of videos on how to use these washing machines, and I do a lot of demos on the new styles, the new models. So if you haven't clicked the subscribe button yet, be sure to hit that subscribe button, as I do post a lot of these videos, and click that like button because it goes a long way to help out this channel so a lot more people can discover this content and be able to use their washing machines properly. Thanks for taking the time to watch this video. If you have any questions, put them in the comment section below and I will get back to you. So let's have a look at what that process looks like when it starts and when it's auto dispensing. Hey. Okay, I'm ready to start washing. Whenever you're ready, just open the door and put your clothes in. And I'm gonna go for a quick wash. Probably I'll do the quick 15-minute wash and start that. Just hold it to start, that's it. So you see a little door lock there, that means that it's starting the cycle. And you can hear the whirring, means that it's taking in the washing liquid, and it will take the softener as well. So it's pretty good to see it doing that.